it's Melissa here to plan in my Skinny Classic Happy Planner. So this week I'm going to do what I've been thinking actually about doing for a little bit now, and that is to do a Womankind planner. Let me just get started. I really wanted to use these pretty florals this week. So first off, I have to figure out how I'm going to make this be functional for me. And how I usually do that is I will do two sort of bullet points for my Instagram posts, and then one box sticker or a different type of bullet point for my YouTube. And that's just really kind of what works for me and what I really like to do. I do like to kind of switch things up and to do it in a different way if I can. So maybe I can do 2 bullet points and split these up, but they're an uneven number actually. Oh, I'm really going to switch things up. Since there's 7 checklists here, and there's even 7 checklists here, what I might just do is off to the side to do my YouTube post that way. That way I can decorate more this time around. Let's see, should I do the box stickers? Yeah, I think I'm going to do these guys. Let me just take a look through here too. I feel like that's going to be enough to denote if I do post a YouTube video and then what video that is. Oh, I love that. Be kind even on your bad days. I take this, one of these, and I have to decide on the color. I think I'm going to go, I'm just trying to figure out what kind of color combo to do, or to just make this really colorful. I think I'm going to go for this one. Yeah, I'm going to cover up notes. Maybe I'll stick it on this side, and then I'll stick some sort of floral right next to it. And then I'm going to cover this heading up so I can put YouTube. Actually, what I might do is stick a quote right here. So let me cover this up with some whiteout. There's so many pretty quotes that I just saw. I really like this. Yeah, and then I'm going to stick some florals right in the corner here, or maybe I'll put it over there. So I'm going to use this. I need a skinny label sticker to stick on top of that things to do. I think I'll stack this pink one on top of it. And then over here, I'll stick this right on, and then stick a floral in the corner of it. I think I'm going to stick this, and then I'm going to stick maybe half of a floral down here, kind of tucked in. And then I'm going to take some floral halves, just trying to figure out which one I'm going to cut in half. I know that I already cut one in half. That's too big, I think, to go right in the corner here. Let's see. It's totally not even straight, and that's really kind of painful. So let's see if I can do a better job. Probably not. I think I just did a little bit better, actually. And then hopefully this quote shows up. I think it will, thankfully. Take it down just a little bit. Oh, that's super cute. That feels like a good place to start. And then now, since this is going to be Command Central for YouTube, is there 7? I hope I counted right. There is 7. Is this crooked? Most definitely. Am I going to be able to lift and fix? A little bit. I can decorate this a little bit more, but I'm going to keep in mind that every single day, either with a couple of bullet points or with some sort of checklist, I do want to denote, I love this, you are enough, oh my gosh. I do want to, oh wait, I always think about this. So last week I stuck a box sticker here, so I'm not going to do that again. I do want to be able to denote what Instagram posts I'm planning. I don't, like I said before in previous plan with me's, I don't really succeed in having them every single day. But at the same time, I really like to put them in. It kind of motivates me. This is a long weekend for us. So maybe I can even put this Let's Stay in. I kind of keep this as the planner that I don't really write our personal plans in. I think of this as like where I'm going to put my soap stuff, or I'm going to put my social media, and it kind of keeps that in that one place. So I don't really put things like Let's Stay in or any other kind of plans, just because I like to keep it for that purpose. I'm going to just line up the fingers along here. Go pretty deep in, and then I'm going to put a box sticker right there. Yeah, I'm just always trying to switch things up how I put my Instagram posts, just to make sure to keep things fresh. So I think I'm gonna do this. Should I do this multicolored one? Yeah. And then maybe I should have tucked this under. Thankfully, I feel like I still have a little bit of room. Now I'm second guessing this. So maybe I'll just stick this one. And I'm going to put that pretty tight. I'm not going to bother bullet pointing it, but I'll know that's where I'm going to stick my Instagram posts. Maybe I can even stick some floral edges along there. Maybe I'll just stick this right along here. This is going to be really stickery. I can feel it already. And then over here, just to switch things up, I'm going to stick a checklist. Is this crooked? My God. No, it's, well, I can live. I'm going to stick a checklist. So I saw some checklists here that were in groups of 4. And I feel like that's better. Because some of these are in groups of 3 or 7. And I feel like I wish that there were some that were in 4s, because then I could kind of cut them in half and use both sides. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this here. Be a nice human. I like that. And then I'm going to just use these bullet points along here, this gradient one. And I'm going to stick 2 on this side. And over here, I might just stick nothing. I might just let that be empty space. I don't know why. I just feel like sticking all of the stickers on. Oh, I have a bunch of stickers here that kind of look like they're coming off the edge. Maybe I can stick one. Yeah. Let me first straighten this out, because of course. And then I'm going to put this keep going sticker right here. And then I'm just going to leave this and to be okay with some... Who am I kidding? I'm going to stick a floral right in this corner here. Is there one floral that's not the biggest thing in the world? Maybe I will. There's this guy. Oh, but there's a purple already right here. Maybe I'll just let it kind of come off the page. This one, which I've already tried to use, I can tell. Yeah, let me see. I want to be able to salvage it still. So if I put this, maybe it won't be salvageable. That's okay. Right along here, I'm going to, okay. I'll save this in case I can use it somewhere. Maybe even here already. Let me cut off this, a little bit of this floral, and then I might just try to, no, I don't like that. I'm just gonna do it, and I'm gonna put one here, and then I'm going to put a checklist of sorts on this side. I might just stick 2 big bullet points actually. But then I'm gonna go back and put a box sticker on Wednesday. And then I think I'm gonna layer on this important right over busy, busy, busy. And then the next one, I'm going to, I think I'm actually going to do a checklist instead. And I'm just going to sacrifice one of these checklists over here. Then I'll do a quote. Stick this here and then chop off the bottom 2 bullet points, and then to just kind of put on there my YouTube post and then stick another heading on top. Honestly, this planner is so much fun for me because I feel like I'm kind of calling upon my like other skill sets of other planners that I've planned in, but it's totally new and different. Like, for example, you can, oh my god, are you enjoying your tail? You can kind of tell that I'm kind of planning, well, I can tell, but I'm planning this like how I used to plan my horizontal, and that's I would cut the page in half, and then I would decorate on one side, and then the other side would be functional. Actually, back in the day, I kind of took from the April Orr method of doing it into 3s, but then since there's not a lot of room, I'm doing it in 2s. So I still want to kind of stick a cluster of florals. I just want there to be florals every single day. Then I'm going to put a motivational quote right here. Now, the reason why I didn't put a box sticker on Wednesday is because there would be 2 right on top, like underneath this busy day. And I feel like that wouldn't look as nice. That's why I decided to go for this checklist, even though I kind of hate the fact that I'm definitely not going to put up 5 YouTube posts, or sorry, 5 Instagram posts on Thursday. So it's probably just going to be 2 or maybe even 1. And I hate that that's just going to be open like that, but that's okay. I'm going to just put some more motivational quotes here. I don't really like how there's going to be 2 kind of mirroring each other, but I feel like that's okay. It's just going to really motivate me this week. And then I'll put some small florals here and then maybe right in the corner here. I'm not going to bother getting them from the cat. And then instead I will just use this book. Did he find his pencil? I think he did. So I'm going to put one here. And then I'm going to put a bigger cluster right in the corner here, or one big floral. Yeah, I think I can still stick that through. And then now I like to be able to see them side by side each other. Okay, so I'm going to take this pencil and I'm going to throw it down. Will you follow it? He will. Yeah, I don't think that's going to hurt you. So then over here, like I said, I like to do mirror images. So I'm going to put decoration here, and then on this side is where I will put my Instagram posts. I just love how motivational this spread is this week. It's actually making me really happy. And then I think I'm going to do another checklist because I do like to even things out. This time I think I'm going to go for this yellow, and then I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to have to take this and then kind of have it. Let's see, let's put this down first. High up a little bit. And then over here, I'm just going to try to match it. Yeah. Oh, that was funny. And then here, I'm going to need another decoration. Probably put some small floral there. I think he got lonely in the living room. So I feel like overall, I don't really kind of share my budgeting journey because I don't know, I'm a little shy about it, but I felt like I had a real budget win. I actually had budgeted to pay a certain bill. I don't know, is this a win? I almost feel like I lost because in a way I didn't have my bills like in order. So I budgeted to pay a certain bill on the paycheck that I got paid this past Friday. And then I opened kind of my online account, and then I remember that I've already paid it, or actually it shows I've already paid it. And I had this moment where I felt like, how come I didn't know that I had thought to pay it ahead of time? And I felt like, okay, like that's not good. I should know when I'm paying my bills. Do you know what I mean? So that's kind of crazy as that sounds. I didn't really like that. Now I just realized I'm mixing yellow and rose gold, but I'm okay with that. I'm just trying to figure this out because it keeps looking crooked to me. I feel like the line's not continuous, but... So then over here, I'm going to stick a decoration. This is all rose gold, so maybe I'll put this some kind of wonderful. Yeah, I'm not going to need the full 2 bullet points anyway, so I'm going to put this here. This is really, honestly, of all of my planners, I always feel the most unsure about decorating this one. Just because it is a bigger size, so in a way it's harder to decorate than the Skinny Mini, because I feel like when I'm decorating the Skinny Mini, it's just like a few stickers and then I'm pretty much done. I think I'm going to need to use these bullet points just because I can't put these two side by side each other. So when I'm decorating the Skinny Mini, there's not a lot of kind of square footage, as it were, and then I just kind of slap some stickers on and I'm done. And while I struggle with decorating my classic sometimes in general, I struggle with it because it's like the biggest area to decorate. This, with how I really want this for me to stay really functional, this has also been really fun to decorate as well, because I'm just trying to figure out, oh, I guess there is no rose gold. Is this rose gold? I could probably switch out that heading so that it's not rose gold. Is that? No, I think that's pink gold. Oh, that's yellow gold. Okay, so there's no rose gold. Anyways, so it feels like this thing has a lot of like square footage, like lots of place for me to decorate. So I'm going to put bullet points on this side and then some sort of decoration here, or maybe just a bigger floral. So this planner has a lot of area for me to decorate, but then I need it to be functional and I need it to look a certain way at the same time. And both of those restraints has kind of made me struggle a little bit in decorating it. And yeah, just the things I kind of think about when I'm decorating this. Like, I really love how I have it. I really like how functional I have it, and I want to keep going with that. So, that's maybe too big. Let me put my 2 bullet points like that, and then I am done. So I always kind of like the 2 bullet point system, but I want to switch it up so that it doesn't look the same every single week. Let me put these, I'll kind of layer it in so that, therefore, I have room to write. Yeah. I don't really like how there's 2 lists on top of each other, but that's just kind of how it worked out, so I'm just going to live with it. And that is it for my Skinny Mini I can't get this right. For my Skinny Classic Happy Planner. So the bigger boxes will be my Instagram posts as well as the bullet points, and then over here is where I'm going to track my YouTube posts. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you like this video, I hope you'll click like. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it below. If you don't miss any of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.